to the Thurmont IDPA level 2 match. So we're going to be shooting 10 stages here, all different types. We got a beautiful range here today, so most definitely going to be doing the best out here. So I'd like to thank 45 Arms and Ammo for the ammo that they helped me supply up for the all the gun parts too. That's my local gun shop, so I'd like to give them a shout out and everything like that. Not sponsored, so but just look at that in Thurmont. Might have to think about moving down here. But anyways, hope you guys like the video. Watch it, enjoy it, comment, subscribe, and give advice. I'm always open ears. Enjoy the video, guys.
It finished on low, show clear. Clear side forward, trigger, holster. Range is clear. Gun loaded and holster, standing at SP. On signal, move to cover at P1 or P2. Engage targets from cover. Then move to P3. Engage 3 targets. Then 4. Engage 2 targets. Muzzle safety is 180, 1 string, 18 rounds unlimited, 9 threats, 3 non-threats. Best 2. Concealment is required. So basically from that position you got 2, from this position you got 2, you got 3 from this position, and then you got 2 from this position. Pretty straightforward. Only thing that I ask you guys, yeah, load and make ready. Oh god. Sure. Yeah, these short guys though, you know, we can't so high. Are you ready?
Yep.
Both you in the one.
Oh, sorry.
Stand by.
Fuck me.
We finished on low, so clear. Clear side forward, trigger, holster.
Grabbed the wrong fucking map.
Okay, you probably want to come with me to look at some of these targets.
Yep.
0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1,
1.
1. You only fired 1 bullet at that one.
Oh, did I?
5,
Yeah. Okay, that's no problem. I'll take it.
0, 1, 0 and 0.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah. No, I'm good. Yeah,
Super fast. Super fast. Harvard Nightmare, Bay 2, course designer, Virginia and Cody. You're at the port in Portland, Maine when armed thieves attack. Start position, gun loaded and holstered. Concealment on, standing in shooting box with toes touching front of box. Cool, not cool. On signal, engage 2 targets in the open. Then move to cover at P1 to engage 2 more targets on cover. And move to bails and engage 3 surprise targets moving round build. 14 rounds unlimited, 7 threats, 2 non-threats, test 2. Concealment required. So, start box. We got 2 guys in the open.
Me, I'm in the way.
Nick, ready? Are you ready? Stand by.
Fuck.
It finished on low, show clear, clear side forward, trigger, holster. Range is clear, 2751.
2751.
2 here.
I had a brain fart there.
0.
0,
0.
1,
1.
2.
2.
Designer, Cody, scenario, you just got your car from a gun store when MS-13 attacked. Start position, gun loaded and placed on passenger seat on X. There is no X, so we're just going to say pointed at that target. Seated in driver's seat, hands on steering wheel with door closed. Safe procedure on signal, pick up gun and engage all targets in the open. There are 2 arrays. When finished, wait for the SO to unload and show clear and how to manage reholstering. All shots must be from the seated inside the vehicle. 1 string, it says 16, but it's actually 17 rounds. There's 8 threats, 2 non-threats, 1 steal. That's 2. Steal must. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Finished, unload. Show clear. Clear, slide forward. Pull the trigger. Hand me the gun. Step on out. 2333.
Oh, goddamn.
Take the gun. Holster. Range is clear. 2333. What do we got there? 0, 1, 0, 1. Non-clear. 1, 2. 2. Seal down. 1 on paper.
No, I shot that twice.
Yep. 6.
All right.
See 1 on paper.
I'll take it. I know I shot it twice.
6. 3.
All right. Dude, them far ones are tough.
Yeah, man. All right, Bay 5, Airbnb, course designer Cody. You are relaxing at your Airbnb when a gang comes to retrieve their drugs hidden inside. Start position, gun loaded and placed on table on X, facing downrange, no concealment. All mags on table on X. So neither X, just not the same X. Seated on chair, hands on knees. Stage procedure, on signal, pick up gun and engage all threats in the open. Barriers are vision barriers. There are 4 arrays of priority. All engagements must be while seated at the table. Seated in this definition is going to be 1 cheek on the chair. Do not move the chair though. You can lean the chair, but do not move the chair. 1 string, 18 rounds unlimited, 9 threats, 2 non-threats, best 2. Concealment is not required. 4 arrays. So also guys, in the interest of time, let's have the on-deck shooter seated while the rest of us are pasting. That way we don't have to do a 15-minute walkthrough, all right? So who's up?
It's just jungle next.
Yeah, but the problem is that you're lefty. If you're lefty, that's going to be really shitty for you, right? So gun on one side, mags on the other side. Who's our first shooter? It's going to be Dennis. Dennis, why don't you have a seat and take a look? All right, guys. So, first array.
Mm-hmm. That'd be the backup one.
One there?
Yep.
All right. Hands on your knees when you're ready.
Alrighty.
Supposed to be on the X.
Oh.
Yeah, magazine, yeah. Hands on your knees when you're ready, sir.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. You're finished on load, go clear. Push side forward. To the trigger. Holster. Range is clear. 2680.
2680.
01. Just take your standard. Course designer Cody Claxton. Scenario standard. Start position. Gun loaded. And holster. Concealment on. Landing at ST with toes. On start plate. On signal, engage 2 targets in the open, head or body. Then move to cover and engage all remaining targets, head only from cover. 1 string, unlimited 16 rounds, 8 threat, 4 non-threats, best T Well, so these two guys basically head or body. Everyone else gets a head. Everyone gets 2 though. So best 2 per target. It's unlimited. Concealment is on. So you're in the open. You don't have to stay in the open. As long as you engage these 2 targets first, and go on to whatever side you want to. Put 2.
Range is hot. Load and make ready. Which way you turning? Turning that way, okay. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by.
Fuck that mag.
It finished. Unloading show clear. Clear, slide forward. Pull the trigger. Holster. Range is clear. 2368.
2368. I got 1 here. Here, I got 1 here.
Got
0 there. I got 1 and 1.
Yeah.
0 there. What do you got there?
1 and 1.
1, 1.
So this is going to be a 6.
6.
Michael,
Yeah.
this one's a 6.
No, that's.
These do not count.
Yeah. No,
It's
it was,
the head count.
yeah, head shots only. I tried to do the makeup shots on that one.
Yeah, yeah.
It was not happening.
All right.
Okay.
Area. You are preparing for a bike ride on the Farmington Trail in New Haven when thugs attack. Start position, gun loaded, holstered with concealment standing on the X start plate. Right there. Gun holding red button. Stage procedure on signal. Draw and engage swinger and 2 targets from cover at window. Move to the right and engage 1 target from cover, then left to engage 3 targets from cover. Then move left along the fault lines to engage the remaining 2 targets in the open. Releasing red button, trigger, swinger. Note, only slide lock reloads are allowed after leaving cover. 1 string, unlimited 18 rounds, 9 threat, 3 non-threats, best 2. All right, so basically,
Come on, come on. Fuck.
the finish on right so clear. Push that forward, trigger, holster. Range is clear, 32-24.
3224.
That was 2 shots too many.
1.
1,
1.
1,
1.
1,
1.
4,
4.
2,
2.
2,
2.
1,
1.
Thank you.
and 2.
2.
Assume.
Yeah.
Non-threat.
Yeah. I ain't got no choice but to take it,
All
but
right, all score, face it up. Force designer Cody Claxton. Scenario, you arrive at home to realize robbers have broken into your home and have your spouse hostage. Start position, gun loaded and holstered with concealment on, standing at SP with toes touching start plate. There's no plate, it's stick. Stage procedure on signal, engage close target with attention. Then engage open target to the right, then rotate left and engage remaining targets from cover. Starting with target from P1, then target from P2, 2 targets from P3, then 2 targets from P4. Attention is defined as elbow, forearm, or wrist touching the side of your strong side, not your belly. Muzzle safety is 180, 1 string, 116 rounds. That's 2 turns.
Load and make ready.
If I heard, yeah.
I'll go find Cody and I'll tell him it that way. Yep.
Shooter, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Stand by.
Come on.
If finished, unload and show clear. Clear, slide forward, pull the trigger, holster. Range is clear.
1896, I just need those last four. Those are 0,
0, 0,
and 2, 2.
2, and 2. Yep.
Shit, I pulled those.
Total. Nice face planning.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
Four, pick it up. Museum attack, course designer, Virginia and Cody. Scenario, you are visiting a museum when violent radicals attack to destroy paintings. Start position, gun loaded and holstered, concealment on, standing on the start plate with both feet. Slight change to that.
Range is hot. Load and make ready.
Like my hands are not
Mm.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Unload and show clear. Clear, slide forward, pull the trigger, holster. Range is clear. 2158.
215.
0.
1 there.
1.
1, 0, 1. So down 1. Down 1.
0 on the clamshell. Down 0.
Clamshell is 0.
0 on the clamshell?
Total.
I'm sorry, 0 on the clamshell.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Very
Thank
nice,
you.
very nice. Alright, Larry's our shooter. Dennis is on just in the hole.
Yeah. We scored these already? Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Yeah, if they didn't catch it, they didn't catch it.
Yeah, let's
Might not even have been yours, you never know.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Go shoot.
Shipyard mayhem, Bay 3, course designer, Cody Claxton. Scenario, you are walking through a shipyard when pirates draw guns on you. Gun loaded, holster, concealed all, standing in box. Sage procedure, on signal, engage 2 open targets from box. So toes, front of the box, open targets from the box. Then move to cover at P1. Engage 3 targets. That'll be that guy, and this guy.
Okay.
Then move along fault lines and engage 100 guys.
Ready.
Oh, this is my first level 2. Yeah, that's how I've done as well.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If finished, unload and show clear. If clear, slide forward, pull the trigger, holster. Range is clear.
2149.
0,
0,
0,
0,
1.
1. I got a 0 here, 0 there, 0 there, 0 there, and 0.
Let's
down
go.
1.
Let's fucking
Cool.
go.
There you go, Michael.
Let's go.
All right, Larry's our shooter. Dennis is on.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the IDPA in Maryland level 2. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage of everything that just went down. So first time being on camera, well, behind the camera, showing myself on YouTube or anything like that. So be gentle. Definitely learned a lot on what I need to do, what I need to focus on. Less speed, more accuracy on a lot of different stages here. Definitely a beautiful range, I'll tell you that right now. Like, look at this. This is a wide range, 10 bays, all open, high berms. Can't get any better than that over here in Thurmont. Definitely glad I came down here for this match. So definitely going to be doing the level 3 in Lower Providence in Philly, PA, September 26th, 27th. So watch out for that video there. Definitely going to be shooting that out. And hopefully we can do better than what we did today. So always be humble. Always learn, always take advice from everybody else. Always have a friendly rivalry with a squad mate or whoever you're going with. Keeps you pushing, keeps you learning, keeps you staying humble. So that's it for the Buckwick channel. I'll see you in September. And adios.